this time to close your eyes and sit or lie in a comfortable position that feels best to you. Mentally scan your body, starting from your toes. Relax your toes, ankles. Feel the weight of your legs. Relax your hips. Bring awareness to your belly as it rises and falls to the rhythm of your breath. Feel the expansion of your lungs as you inhale deeply. Drop your shoulders and find softness in your face and neck. Relax your jaw and allow your eyes to become heavy. Let go of any tension or stress from your day. And find gratitude for your body. Stay here for a few moments in silence and rest in this space you have created. Relax the mind and bring awareness to the things in your life that bring you joy.